Hi everyone, Trey Watkins, Fleming's Ultimate Garage. 1955 Skyline Blue Bel Air. The ivory white and matching color interior. This car is absolutely amazing. Fresh build, 350 engine, as well as the 3-speed transmission, power disc brakes, AC, power steering, just everything that you would want under the hood of a fabulous car like this. All of the trim, stainless, the chrome, everything again is new. This is an off-frame rotisserie restored car. Rain drip rail there, custom gauges inside, custom steering wheel, tilt wheel. I mean, nothing at all was spared to make this car what it is, as you see. Underneath, it's fabulous, totally restored with the red oxide application, dual exhaust. Just a great, great car. Give me a call, Trey Watkins, 301-816-1000, Fleming's Ultimate Garage. Thanks.